Hello folks, happy Makar Sankranti.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள், தை திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Happy Pongal, have a blast.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, happy Pongal.
Hello guys, happy Magh Bihu.
Hey guys, happy Magh Bihu. Happy Posh Sankranti.
Hello folks, start with happy Pongal, happy Bihu, happy Makar Sankranti, happy Posh Sankranti. This is a time, I think I did not grow up in the villages, so I don't have an intimate connection with the harvest festival, but I know it's a big deal for like many people. And there is a added benefit for all of us that we get tons of good sugar canes to eat in Chennai. Lovely time, it's considered a super auspicious time. Moving on from the best wishes for the festivals to what is relevant to perhaps many of you. Use any of these auspicious times to lay down a marker and then say, look, maybe I'll start preparing for this exam, maybe I'll give this a shot this time. And so I know it's sometimes cynical to peddle on every festival and say do something now. But sometimes I think we become too sensitive to this pervasion, cynicism, and don't jump into anything. I'm not guys who basically said any festival, anything, I won't start. Why? Not gigantically going to change your fortune, but it's considered a good day. You can jump onto it and say, I'll take this seriously, I'll jump on and prepare seriously, give myself a chance. And so we have wonderful offers and discounts running for CAT 2025. Check out the description to get all the details on that. Any of these days that go by, which is something special, where you get a date of chutti, where you can sit back and say, hey, where am I headed now? What do I need to do next? It's something that you can grab onto and say, look, I'm committing to this. I'll give it a shot. I'll see where it lands. And so nobody is guaranteeing anything with any certainty to anyone. Not in our times, not in this world. Right? So, but if you give yourself a chance, that is brilliant. So give yourself that chance, grab onto it, and start preparing for CAT. Fine. Best wishes again.